Hey guys, this is Tim with Primeaux RV with another Throwback Thursday. Standing in front of a Cougar fifth wheel. This is a 2011 unit. Let's go inside and take a look at it. Now the model's a 326 here. We got 3 slides in here. You got 2 slides, opposing slides in your living room with a dinette set, couch, recliners in front of your TV. All carpet throughout in here too, all in great condition. 2011, this is really unique condition for a unit to come in here. Plenty of counter space here, place for stools for the kids and extra seating. Pantry here, 8 cubic foot refrigerator also. Come on up this way and see if I can get some video of the bathroom here. Huge bathroom for a camper. I have a wardrobe slide which is unique in there, so if you go into campers, it's always hard to find a place to put your towels. Plenty of place there. Here. Now let's walk down the hallway, and got a lot of privacy away from the back area of the camper or the rear living area for your bedroom here. Got a queen bed, plenty of storage up in the front of the camper or the front cap, second AC. Place for drawers, clothing. Your TV would set on here and it would slide out and watch television at night. That's it. Thanks for watching a Throwback Thursday. Come back and see us. Thank you.